This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Sequoia. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include adaptive cruise control, a voice-activated navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, an air suspension, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a 14-speaker audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear sunshades, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel memory settings, and this vehicle has less than 17,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.